Hey, it's Suzanne Mosley with PaperPie. You can, sorry, my computer is falling. You can find me on Facebook and YouTube at Suzanne Shares Books. You can also find me on Instagram, Suzanne_shares. My website is SuzanneSharesBooks.com. So thanks for watching. I'm updating my Classical Conversations homeschooling playlist here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check it out. Go to playlist and you'll see CC/homeschooling. So these are books that will be helpful if you are a CC family for cycle 1. If you're a homeschooling family doing weather or clouds, these are also units over that will also be stellar. So let me start with kind of a beginner level. What are clouds? This is the Lift the Flap question, very first question and answer series. So it is very basic, very simple. I think this series is geared for 3 and up. Which I would still, with that age, be a little careful with flaps. Probably be a book I read with them, but this one is related to clouds. Each flap is a question and the answer is underneath it. So very, very cute and would be a fun way to engage your youngest learners. Kind of the next step up, question and answers about weather. So I love this series because it has the question at the top, and then here are the types of clouds. These are named a little differently than we learn in CC, but it still would be great to see the visual, and you could talk about, okay, well, what do we, what we learned, what do we call those? And then it talks about weather prediction, lightning, why are some clouds darker than the other? Just lots of good Q&As. Questions related to weather in that one. One of my all-time favorites, and this is always a top seller for me at events, book fairs, online parties as well, wild weather. This talks about storms, tornadoes, all the things. I find it so surprising how obsessed kiddos can be about weather, because I was not one of those kiddos. I was terrified. But this one also always does really well. I think just a combination of the content of like, wow, there's a tornado with also with the flaps. This series, I don't have the weather one, but this is called Turn and Learn. This one is Our World, but there is a weather one. It's super fun, not narrative nonfiction. So throughout each page, there's content you can read, on the double page spread, and the page on the right also has the ribbon that you turn and learn. So again, this one is the world one, but we do have it in weather, which would be a great addition to that. And then if you are new to our new name as PaperPie, it is because we acquired Smart Lab, and they are STEM focused STEM focused learning toys, learning resources. And this one is the You Track It Weather Lab. There's actually 2 Smart Lab kits related to weather. This is the Track It Weather Lab. I forgot exactly what the other one is called. It was a little more expensive than this one. One's $19.99, one's $24.99. So this allows you to track the weather. All of the Smart Lab kits come with instructions of how to do different things with the box's contents that are learning focused. And I like this little weather tracker that you can use, because one of the things within the kit is to track the weather for 30 days and see if you see any patterns. And then this is a cloud chart, which I thought was helpful, and you can keep a record of that as well, because we do learn parts of the clouds, and these are all the things that it comes with, so that you can do these projects. It includes a weather vane, rain gauge, thermometer, anemometer, compass, cloud chart, interactive weather tracker. So all of these would be really fun, as well as, also weather in our science encyclopedia and our science beginner box set, storms, hurricanes, which is now out of print. You can only get it in the set, and weather. All of these are on my website, SuzanneSharesBooks.com, and there's a link to these resources in the video description. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you.